Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll talk about how to add your location to your Instagram bio. Adding your location to your Instagram bio is a great way to let your followers know where go. Come here, and then I will open my Insta, and then I will click on my profile on the right bottom, and it will open. So click on edit profile. Here you can see switch to professional account. So I will go to here, then continue, and I will randomly select one thing, let's say blogger. Continue. You can display it on your profile here to click here. Okay, so creator or business. Okay, I will click next, creator, and okay. And share login using account center, no. Okay, and set up your professional account. So I will cross it here and then go to edit profile. So I will come here and click on and then contact information, and we'll go business address here, and I will street, let's say ABC, and I will New York, let's say New York. Okay, I will select, and zip code will be 1234, let's say 2234, and then click OK and OK and OK. I will show the information. I didn't show display info. Okay, and then OK, tick mark, and you will show here ABC New York 2234. So it's super easy and super cool.